Daddy, let me handle this.
Oh. Careful now, it's hot.
That's my girl.
May I present to you the great Pizzasaurus Rex?
You smell that? This sauce will be delicious. I think you're going to love it.
Is everyone ready? Nothing says yummy more than homemade noodles. Are you watching? Bet you've never seen this before. Well, that wasn't part of the recipe.
When the noodles stick, they're ready.
Sayo.
Da da da. Don't you worry. I made a little extra.
Thank you. You're my best friend.
Enjoy.
Look, Dad.
Huh? More noodle dough.
That's right. It's from my magic cupboard.
Well, aren't we lucky? You know, this might just save the day. Yeah. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, not again.
Oh,
Got any more dough?
I only found that extra bit. Oh.
Your attention, please, everyone. 5 minutes left to finish. Time for your final touches.
Know what? I shouldn't have made all this so complicated. I'm so sorry for making a big mess of everything.
Ah, that's it!
Huh?
We gotta keep things simple. Dad, it's time for us to move to Plan B.
Oh, I'm listening.
You know what's fast and easy to make? Super pancakes with a little magic twist.
Right, that'll work.
Yeah, let's do it.
Ha! There's not another single second to waste. You okay?
Yeah, sounds perfect. And I like your topping ideas, too.
Plan B is a good plan, right?
What's up? Who are you talking to in there?
It's nobody, really.
Huh?
Just my imaginary friend.
Fair enough. You ready to start?
One last push. You can do this. Mr. Pancake's counting on you.
Here comes the magic. Now for the special part. Yeah! Sizzle, sizzle, and flip! Nailed it!
Oh, smells so good. Go, Kongsuni!
Ah. Whoa.
I sure hope I get a taste.
Well,
Well, we made a few mistakes, but the day was saved by my daughter's quick thinking. On tonight's menu, it's pancakes. Kongsuni.
good and healthy!
Careful now, it's hot.
I know, Mom taught me. Okay, just need some decorations. Eyes, nose, and ta-da!
Whoa!
Time! Step away from your dishes now. Let's see what everyone created.
Looks delicious.
I'm gonna have me some pancakes.
I like pizza.
Well, son, looks like we've got ourselves some customers.
Yeah.
So are you gonna let us try it?
Oh, yeah, sure. Here you are. How's it taste?
So fluffy. It's soft and warm, just like my favorite socks when they come out of the dryer. Kind of like a cloud of marshmallows. And the crunch goes pop in your mouth like a bunch of dazzling fireworks on Halloween night. Yum.
I want to taste it. Yeah, me too.
Wait! Come back!
Wow. Can I have a try? I want some too. Here.
Do you believe this? Looks like you cooked up a winner.
Well done, everyone. One last thing, children. What's happening tomorrow?
Halloween party!
You remembered. So come in a costume. We'll go trick-or-treating as a group. It'll be so much fun.
Wow.
And don't forget to give your parents the cards I passed out.
Okay. Mom! Guess what? We're having a party at school. And the teacher said I need to show this to you.
Oh my, looks like fun.
And you know what else? Everyone's gonna dress up.
So have you decided what you'd like to go as yet?
Yeah, I want to go as a mermaid.
Why is that?
Because then I could swim with a dolphin.
Oh,
Hang on. No, wait. I know. I want to be a big, scary dragon, like the kind in my storybooks.
okay.
Or else, a super famous explorer.
I think that might be something we'd be able to pull off. Why don't we take a look at this new library book? See here? In those days, they traveled by ship, and that's how they discovered the world.
Oh, I'll be that.
Explorer Kongsuni.
You know it. I'm off to see the world. Hop, hop, hop. Wake up, Theo. Our class is having a Halloween party tomorrow. Want to go with me?
Of course I do. What's Halloween anyway? Wait, never mind. I like surprises. Ooh, I can hardly wait. Bump.
I'm a dinosaur. I really hope I get along.
Hi, guys. What do you think of my costume? Is it a bit weird with the lettuce?
Not really. I think you look pretty amazing. Don't scare anybody, Sam.
My name's not Sam. You can call me T-Rex.
That scared me. I couldn't really see your face when your head was pointed down like that.
You're a pumpkin, so I wouldn't eat you. I only like meat.
Ha! Explore Girl to the rescue!
Oh, hello. What do you say we be friends?
Is everyone here?
Yes!
Perfect. Now take one each.
Thanks.
And don't forget to use your manners.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Pumpkin.
Thank you. Thanks.
So, is everybody ready to get started?
Yes! This is the best day ever. I wonder if I can fill this pumpkin to the top.
I sure hope I get lots of caramels.
They get stuck in my teeth. Yeah, I kind of like those tiny bags of chips.
How are you doing, my favorite little honeybee? She's so adorable. Nice to see you again.
I forgot we were supposed to bring candy.
Oh, that's fine. I'm sure they'll have more than enough treats. I decided to bring some cherries.
I love that idea. Maybe I should pop in some tomatoes.
Not that I was listening in or anything, but I'm totally on board with fruit.
Oh, there she is.
The parade's starting.
Here, kids. I've got something sweet for you. There.
One for you?
But I thought these were for candy.
I never heard of black cats eating tomatoes.
No thanks. I'll pass. Oh, my Halloween basket doesn't look anything like I thought it would. It looks like I went to the farmer's market.
Don't look so sad. You know, I can turn almost any trick into a treat.
Huh? Then what are we waiting for? Oh, Halloween's the best! I like dressing up and getting lots of cool treats.
That's an awful lot of candy you got.
Oh yeah, it's gonna take me weeks to eat it all.
Oh, weeks, even worse. Ugh, guess I'm just gonna have to take some out.
Go ahead. You can take some of my candy too. All I have to do is knock on doors and get more. It's true. We didn't even get to all the houses.
Oh.
True.
That's very kind, sweetie. But aren't you getting a little tired by now? It's late.
Nope. I could go all night doing this and never get tired. Mommy, we need to get a dog right now, please.
We've talked about this, Kongsuni.
Not today we haven't. Pretty please. I'll do anything.
Listen, dear, dogs are a huge amount of work because they need walking and feeding and bathing. And that's just the start. Maybe one day when you're a bit older.
Aw. But I want one today. There, all done. Who's a good doggy? You are. Woo, woo. Get your leash. We're going for a walk. Huh? Dad's home. Hi, Dad.
Well, hello. So how did your party go?
It was great, thanks. Huh? Oh, a puppy!
Where'd this guy come from?
Someone turned him in today and the pound is closed. I couldn't just leave him at the clinic.
A puppy! Can we keep him? Can we keep him?
No, this cutie belongs to someone. Right, Dad?
Well, sure, but it'll take a day or two to track down the owner. It won't hurt to keep him here.
Then, Mom, Daddy,
Hmm?
I promise to take really, really good care of him. He can have my bed. If I do a good job, then will you think about letting me get a forever dog? Pretty please? With sugar and whatever else on top?
Oh.
Well, if she does what she says, then I suppose it's only fair we at least consider it.
Pinky promise, then. You're going to do your very best?
I promise. Go get it! Fetch!
Kongsuni, you can't play fetch in the house.
Huh?
Oh, the puppy storm has hit. Bad dog. Maybe you should be in a kennel. It's either that or go back to the clinic.
Sorry. Okay, you better come with me. Do you have any idea what he's saying?
I do. Don't you speak dogs?
Sayo, you think you can find out where his house is?
Probably can. If anyone's gonna figure out where he lives, it'll be Sayo the bird detective.